You'd rather destroy the bed than lay on it, huh? You silly puppies, huh, Soph? They're Robin. Hello, Ruby. How are you? You want to talk to the camera? I love you. I love you, Ruby. Ruby, who's there? Hi, Sophie. Hi. Come here. Ruby. Come here. Ruby, come here, hon. Where's that puppy? There she is. Hi! You want to talk? I love you. You want your toy? You talking? I love you, Ruby. I love you. Hey, don't bite that. I love you. Where's that puppy? Hey, you want it? It's on my lap right here. She's trying to get it. I love you. Hey. What are you doing? Bye-bye. Hey, look, you want it? Where's that girl? I'll give it to you when you speak. I love you. Oh. I love you. Oh. Come on, baby. I love you. Want it? I love you. Hi. Good girl. Here, you want it? Good girl. That's our puppy. Good girl. There she goes, right on my bed. Funny girl. Show it off, puppy girl. You're okay. Hello, Colette.
Are you kidding me?
Dark in here. Hello, Colette. How's my little kitty? How's my little tuxedo cat? Hi, Colette. Hi, kitty girl. Oh, my little kitty. Hi, Colette. That's my little girl. Just want to say hi.